In the quiet corners of suburban landscapes, a miniature spectacle unfolds daily in the form of the backyard chicken. These feathered custodians of the domestic realm are more than mere egg producers. They are vibrant characters in the intricate tapestry of nature woven within our own homes. In this installment of Lingering with Lincoln, our esteemed guide and host, Lincoln, a luminary in the fields of zoology and natural history, generously shares his expertise on the captivating array of creatures that grace the tapestry of your local neighborhood. What, Lincoln, makes the backyard chicken such a riveting and captivating creature in the intricate dance of nature?
No, a day. Whoa, a day. Day.
Indeed, beautifully said. The delicate balance the backyard chicken strikes, not just as egg providers, but as architects of a microcosm where domesticity meets untamed beauty. Lincoln, amidst the backyard symphony of clucks and rustling feathers, could you unveil the intricate dietary needs of the backyard chicken? Furthermore, what constitutes their primary food source? Right you are. Just like you said, their dietary needs are a harmonious blend of grains, seeds, insects, and green forage.
Mommy! No. Hey. No.
We venture into the next captivating chapter of Lingering with Lincoln. Our intrepid host beckons for the presence of a specific untamed creature, a silent dweller amid the familiar landscapes of our daily lives. Ah, well done. We were able to stumble upon the silent and sleek sentinel, the common domesticated outdoor cat. Cloaked in an array of feline elegance, these enigmatic hunters traverse the landscape with an air of graceful independence. Now, in a mesmerizing display of interspecies communication, our seasoned guide, Lincoln, steps forward to showcase his extraordinary prowess in the art of training the wild. With a quiet confidence and an understanding forged through years of immersion in the language of nature, Lincoln will unravel the secrets of connection with our untamed companion. And now, we bid farewell to this enchanting episode of Lingering with Lincoln. Through the lens of our adept guide, we've glimpsed into the lives of captivating creatures that thrive in the nooks and crannies of our neighborhoods. Join us in our next installment, where Lincoln will continue to unravel the mysteries of the natural world, beckoning us to linger a while longer in the realms where human and wild converge.